Hello, Sequoia students and families. Mrs. Ward here with our third video lesson for 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. Let's begin with the song, When I First Came to This Land. I've written all the parts of the song on the board in case you need help remembering them. Here we go. When I first came to this land, I was not a wealthy man. Then I built myself a shack. I did what I could. I called my shack, break my back. Still the land was sweet and good. I did what I could. When I first came to this land, I was not a wealthy man. Then I bought myself a cow. I did what I could. I called my cow, no milk now. I called my shack, break my back. Still the land was sweet and good. I did what I could. When I first came to this land, I was not a wealthy man. Then I got myself a horse. I did what I could. I called my horse, lame of course. I called my cow, no milk now. I called my shack, break my back. Still the land was sweet and good. I did what I could. When I first came to this land, I was not a wealthy man. Then I got myself a duck. I did what I could. I called my duck, out of luck. I called my horse, lame of course. I called my cow, no milk now. I called my shack, break my back. Still the land was sweet and good. I did what I could. When I first came to this land, I was not a wealthy man. Then I got myself a pig. I did what I could. I called my pig, way too big. I called my duck, out of luck. I called my horse, lame of course. I called my cow, no milk now. I called my shack, break my back. Still the land was sweet and good. I did what I could. When I first came to this land, I was not a wealthy man. Then I got myself a wife. I did what I could. I called my wife, joy of my life. I called my pig, way too big. I called my duck, out of luck. I called my horse, lame of course. I called my cow, no milk now. I called my shack, break my back. Still the land was sweet and good. I did what I could. When I first came to this land, I was not a wealthy man. Then I got myself a son. I did what I could. I told my son, my work's done. I called my wife, joy of my life. I called my pig, way too big. I called my duck, out of luck. I called my horse, lame of course. I called my cow, no milk now. I called my shack, break my back. Still the land was sweet and good. I did what I could. That's one of our favorites, isn't it? Let me put the guitar away and we'll do another one of our favorite songs. Another one of our favorite songs is Sailor, Sailor. It has a game that goes with it, and it's a game that you can play at home. You're going to need 2 small objects, small enough that they will fit in one hand. Something like this, or another small toy or item that you might have around your house. Remember, one person was the sailor in this game, and they walked around the circle carrying the objects. Well, we don't have a circle right now, but I think we can still do this game. So, if you remember, it goes like this. Sailor, sailor on the sea, sailor, sailor on the sea, sailor, sailor on the sea, what treasures have you brought for me? On this verse, I decide how many of the objects I'm going to have in my hand, and I figure that out behind my back where you can't see me. Farmer, farmer on the land, farmer, farmer on the land, I've golden jewels in my hand. How many do you think I have in my hand? Is it 1 or 2? If you guessed 2, then you have guessed the number true. You have guessed the number true. You have guessed the number true. So you may sail the ocean blue. Sailor, sailor on the sea. Sailor, sailor on the sea. Sailor, sailor on the sea. What treasures have you brought for me? Farmer, farmer on the land. Farmer, farmer on the land. Farmer, farmer on the land. I've golden jewels in my hand. How many do you think this time? I bet you thought I would do 1 since I did 2 the first time. So if you said 1, you are not correct. And you have missed the number plane. You have missed the number plane. You have missed the number plane. So I must sail the sea again. Sailor, sailor on the sea. Sailor, sailor on the sea. Sailor, sailor on the sea. What treasures have you brought for me? Farmer, farmer on the land. Farmer, farmer on the land. Farmer, farmer on the land. I've golden jewels in my hand. How many do you think it is this time? If you said 1, then you have guessed the number true. You have guessed the number true. You have guessed the number true. So you may sail the ocean blue. That was fun, even though I couldn't really tell what you were guessing. But you could play that game with someone else in your house, a sibling or a grown-up. Now, try and show where that song sounds higher and lower by using your hand as we sing. Sailor, sailor on the sea. Sailor, sailor on the sea. Sailor, sailor on the sea. What treasures have you brought for me? How did you do? How many different pitches are in that song? How many different places in the air did we have to put our hands? Sailor, sailor on the sea. There were 3 pitches. One that was high, one in the middle, and one that was low. But they were all very close to each other, like stair steps, right? We learned names for those pitches. Those pitches were do, re, and mi. The song started on mi. Mi, 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 re, do, do, do. Re, re, mi, re, do, do, do. Mi, 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 re, do, do, do. Do, re, re, mi, re, do, do, do. So we used those pitches to sing the song. But those pitches also have hand signs that go with them. I wonder if you remember them. That's okay, I'll show them to you. The hand sign for do is this. Here is the hand sign for re. It's slanted like this. And the hand sign for mi is straight across. Let's try singing the song with the hand signs and the syllables. Now, if you mess up, just practice again until you get better at it. It takes a bit of practice to do this. It's not easy the first 2 or 3 times you try it, but if you keep practicing, you'll get better. Let me do it with you this time. Let's try it. It starts on mi. Ready, go. Mi, 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 re, do, do, do. Re, re, mi, re, do, do, do. Mi, 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 re, do, do, do. Do, re, mi, re, do, do, do. If I mess up, I just keep going. I don't start over. But then I try it from the beginning again after that. And I keep doing that until I can do all the hand signs and the syllables. Not perfectly, but mostly correct. Keep practicing until you get better. It will help you with your singing. Hand signs and syllables are very helpful in learning to sing well. We know a few other songs that have those pitches, do, re, and mi. For instance, the song Rocky Mountain has those pitches, but only in one part of the song. I'll show you. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that rocky mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 remember me. Do, 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 remember me. We also know another song that has do, re, and mi all the way through the song. It doesn't have any other pitches besides those three. Hot Cross Buns is all made up of do's and re's and mi's. Remember, it goes like this. I'll sing just the words first and use my hand signs. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. And if you sing it with the syllables, it goes like this. Mi, re, do, mi, re, do. Do, 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 re, 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 mi, re, do. Now that's a lot of do's and re's and mi's. So you might want to rewind this video and practice those again. The more practice you do on those syllables and hand signs, the better you will get. Thank you for singing and learning with me today. I miss you. Keep singing, Sequoia. Bye for now.